Jessa, nagkasakit. Nagpaliwanag kung bakit missing in action. Sa kanyang social media account, nagpaliwanag ang singer at asawa ni Dingdong Avansado na si Jessa Zaragoza kung bakit hindi siya napagkikita ng ilang araw. Ayon kay Jessa, nagkasakit siya at nagpalipat-lipat sa ilang ospital bago pa man ginanap ang concert ng asawang si Dingdong noong July 19, 2024. Pagkatapos umano ng nasabing concert, isinagawa ang pagtanggal ng vocal polyp at esophageal varices sa kanyang vocal folds. Paliwanag pa ni Jessa, maayos naman ang naging procedure at nagpahinga na siya at hindi pwedeng magsalita. Habang nagpapagaling umano sa ginawang procedure sa kanya, nagkasakit umano muli si Jessa at pabirong sinabi na napakanta umano siya ng kanyang kanta na parang hindi ko na yata kaya. Sa ngayon, ayon kay Jessa, ay bumubuti na ang kanyang katawan at hindi na siya makapaghintay na maghanda para sa concert tour nila ng asawang si Dingdong sa North America kasama ang anak na si Jada bilang special guest. Sa huli, nagpasalamat si Jessa sa kanyang pamilya at mga kaibigan na patuloy na nagdarasal para sa kanyang tuluyang pagaling. Nagpasalamat din si Jessa sa mga doktor na umasiste sa kanya at hindi rin niya nakalimutang pasalamatan ang asawang si Dingdong sa pag-aalaga sa kanya. Hello world! I've been missing in action recently. Ever since the aftermath of Dingdong 37th anniversary concert at the Theater at Soler last July 19. Prior to the concert, I got really sick. Nirounds ko na ata yung mga ospital, Cardinal, St. Luke's, Diliman. Tinawid ko lang talaga sa concert. Nakaraos naman ng mahusay, salamat sa Diyos. After the big event, I underwent an important scheduled procedure at St. Luke's Global. You see, months before the concert, apart from the other sickness I dealt with, I had noticed some hoarseness coming from my voice, and upon examination, discovered I had a vocal polyp and esophageal varices in my vocal folds. This is the second time I dealt with something to this extent, so it definitely alarmed me that I had to go through this again. The procedure was to remove said findings, and thankfully it went smoothly. The recovery process began, and I had to go on complete vocal rest for over a week. No talking whatsoever. As if that weren't enough already, while I was recuperating, I caught a bug. Uso talaga ngayon. Di talaga ako tinantana ng sakit. The stress really took a toll on my health. Napakanta na talaga ako ng kanta ko. Parang di ko na yata kaya. I'm still not back to a 100%, but I'm feeling much better every single day. I praise God for His grace and healing. I can't wait to prepare and get back to work as soon as possible to prepare for a major tour happening in September. The North American tour for Sa Aking Puso the Concert, together with the original Prince of Pinoy Pop at Dingdong Avansado and at Jada as our special guest. I can't wait to use my instrument again and do what I do best, which is performing for you all, our kababayans. Thank you so much to our whole family and their friends who've been praying for my fast recovery. A special mention of thanks to my excellent doctors, my nephrologist, Dr. Jocelyn Covanquiat, and my voice doctor, ENT, laryngology and voice specialist, Dr. Maita Feliciano, and Dr. William Lim. Thank you, my husband, Ding Dong, for taking care of me while I was in the hospital. At kasagsagan ng bagyo niyan. Ayan, since dami ding nagtatanong sa amin, nasan daw kami ng bagyo? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.